Goeiedag kinders en welkom na hierdie Afrikaans les. Before we begin the lesson for today, we are going to be doing the corrections for Tuesday's written activities. Please refer to page 69 of your red werkbook. Use a pencil to correct your work in your werkbook. Corrections for Tuesday's activities. So on page 69 of your werkbook, you had to complete question E1. So question E1 reads, Die onderstaande paragraaf is 'n beskrywing van Kiana se slaapkamer. The paragraph below is a description of Kiana's bedroom. Vul die byvoeglike naamwoorde in, fill in the adjectives. Die antwoorde is in die stuk. The answers are in the paragraph. So, the first sentence reads, Ek is Kiana, I am Kiana. My slaapkamer is die, and in brackets they are giving you a clue. Grootte means size, so we're talking about a size here. My slaapkamer is die. Kleinste is the smallest. Ek het something and something, and we're talking about colors here. Vir my mere gekies. Ek het geel en oranje vir my mere gekies. I chose yellow and orange for my walls. Op my bed is daar pers lakens. On my bed there are purple sheets. Ek het 'n sneeuwwit en grasgroen kombers. I have a snow white and grass green blanket. Daar is ook twee reuse groot sagte kussings. There are two huge soft pillows. My floor has wit tiles, white tiles. Teen my muur hang twee pragtige prentjies. Against my wall hangs two beautiful or pretty pictures. Then in question E2 it says, beskryf nou jou eie slaapkamer. Describe your own bedroom. And here you had to fill in adjectives, byvoeglike naamwoorde, to describe your own bedroom. So the first sentence, ek is, and you should have written your name in this space. My slaapkamer is die, my bedroom is the, and you needed to speak about the size here. Ek het something and something vir my mere gekies. I chose, and you need to write the colors that you chose for your walls. Op my bed is daar something lakens. On my bed there are, and you need to describe your sheets and komberse, and then you need to describe your blankets. Daar is ook twee kussings. There are also two, and you need to describe your pillows here. My vloer het dash tiles. Teen my muur hang twee dash prentjies. Against my wall hangs two something pictures. My kamer is popmooi. My room is beautiful. So you can leave this question out. Your teacher will mark it for you when you return to school. So you do not need to mark this question. Now let's look at F. So for F, you simply had to read the poem with expressions. It says, lees hierdie gedig met toepaslike uitspraak, uitdrukking en tempo. Read this poem with appropriate pronunciation, expression, and tempo. Tempo means speed. Let's begin reading this poem together. Slaap, sleep. Ek lê in my bedjie. I lie in my bed. And tell tot 10 and count till 10. En kyk of ek dalk die sterre kan sien. And watch if I can maybe see the stars. Dis snoesig en warm. It is cozy and warm. En lekker sag and soft. Môre is nog 'n ander dag. Morning is yet another day. So you will practice reading this poem on your own. You can stand in front of a mirror and practice, or you can ask someone to video you. This way you will better your pronunciation and reading in Afrikaans. Now let's look at question G. Question G says, vul die blokkies raaisel in, fill in the crossword. Al die byvoeglike naamwoorde moet dwars ingevul word. All the adjective words must be filled across. So have you guessed what number 1 is? And your word for number 1 was grasgroen. Remember, all of these words were found in the story that we read. Number 2 is sneeuwwit. Well done, children. Wel gedoen. Number 3 is reuse groot, which means huge. Number 4 is prachtige, pretty or beautiful. Number 5 is oranje, orange, the color orange. Well done, children. Wel gedoen. Let's now begin with today's Afrikaans work. Lees, kyk en skryf. Reading, viewing and writing. So now you will refer to pages 70 to 71 of your Red Werkbook and complete the activities found there. So you will read the story that we discussed in our previous lesson, and you will answer the questions found from 1 to 8, and question 8 continues on page 71. Dit is die einde van Woensdag se les. This is the end of Wednesday's lesson. Tot ziens, kinders. Goodbye, children.